We shall not sit back and watch the judiciary, the last line of defense for the people of Kenya, run rogue against its own people. Unless this trend is nipped in the bud and with the requisite firmness it deserves, we are prepared to agitate for a radical surgery as a means to uphold and protect our constitution.
We have architects, we have doctors, we have engineers who are all hired by government, and at the same time external professionals are still taken to do the work. World over, we have seen professionals working hand in hand with the government and government agencies, particularly because of their arena of expertise and capacity. And therefore, to single out the entire legal profession of the entire country is not only absurd, illegal, and unconstitutional.